You wanna see something magical?
Magical?
Yes. Watch this balloon blow up all by itself. Okay?
Boom.
Here, we've got some baking soda
Huh.
and
Oh.
we
What's that?
put it in balloon. What's that? Baking soda.
I don't know.
Yeah, baking soda. And what is it?
It's all.
No, it's not not water. It's vinegar in this bottle. Let's mix them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Mix them.
9.
Good. This is carbon dioxide.
So fine. Oh, strawberry.
High five.
Bye bye.